Hare Krishna. Welcome to my channel Krsnatarian. If this is your first time watching this video or visiting the channel, then don't forget to subscribe to it. If you have been watching my videos regularly but haven't yet subscribed, then please subscribe to it. If there are any constructive feedbacks or any queries related to the recipe, food or the diet of Krishna consciousness or Krsnatarian, then please write to me in the comment section and I will be happy to respond to you. One more thing I wanted to inform is that I recently published a cookbook which is around 348 recipes with 400 images. So that particular book is available in paperback and hardcover format. And also multiple digital copies of this book is available. If you're interested in buying it, then I have shared the link in the description. And also there will be book review available, for which I have also shared a link in the description. So now let's proceed towards the recipe. Hare Krishna. Welcome to the Krsnatarian way of cooking. So today I'm going to share with you a very quick wrap recipe which is made from leftover chapatis. So I generally make a lot of chapatis, and whenever the chapatis are left, I try to use it in some way or the other. So this time I made this wrap which is very simple to do, and it actually is a perfect kid snack. So let's look into the recipe. So first I have taken around 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil. Just spread it in the skillet, keeping the heat on medium. Now I'm going to add 1 green chili. Then I'm going to add chopped celery. I've used around 3 big sticks of celery. You can even use around 2 cups of shredded cabbage. Now on medium heat, I'm going to cook this celery just for around 3 to 4 minutes. Now I'm going to add some asafetida or hing, that is just around a 1/4 teaspoon. Now here I have around 2 cups of chopped tomatoes. Nicely cook the tomatoes. Now the tomatoes, they look a little bit tender. Then I have here 2 medium-sized boiled potatoes. I'll just straight away keep it on the skillet and then mash them on it. Now here I have some chaat masala. This is around 1 tablespoon or 1.5 tablespoon of chaat masala which I have used. I have not used any salt in it because chaat masala already has salt, so you do not need any salt in it. This is some chopped colored pepper. You can even use green, but make sure to cook it a little bit with the potatoes. Now here I have added around 1.5 cups of grated mozzarella cheese. So all you have to do is on low heat, just mix everything nicely. Now turn off the stove completely because the cheese doesn't take much time to melt. Now on top of that, add around a 1/4 cup of chopped cilantro or coriander leaves. Mix nicely. Now let this filling little bit cool down, just like around at the room temperature. Now this is my home chapatis which I made. I'm going to just, this is around, actually the chapati is around 8 inches. So as per that you put the filling. You can even use little lesser filling if you want to have it for the kids. Some kids do not like too much veggies, then you can just use some potatoes, tomatoes and the cheese in it with salt and a little bit of chaat masala. My daughter loves this one. You see, this is a very easy way to evenly get the filling distributed on the chapati or a tortilla wrap. This is actually a very simple and easy way to wrap the entire chapati. just dividing it like that and then spreading the filling like this and then closing it gently. That's why I told you to allow the potato mixture to cool down, because if it is too hot then the chapati may break, because it is a chapati from a day before. So now here I have a non-stick pan which is on heat. It has been on low heat, very low heat. Now let this wraps cook for 5 minutes on low heat. Low heat helps with the wrap to become a little bit crispy like this. So they have this nice crispy texture from outside. Do like that the both sides, and after 3 to 4 minutes then brush a little bit of butter on top. So here I have a little bit of unsalted butter. That's how I have rubbed, and then what I will do is that I'll just put the butter on the pan so that the base of this wrap also gets. You can even use salted butter, not a problem. So what I did was I cooked this wraps with the butter on each side for around 2 minutes. So 2 minutes on the top, 2 minutes at the base, like that. Now I'll turn off the stove and then place this wraps on a parchment paper. So the wraps were very hot and I was trying to cut it. It was so hot that I couldn't cut the wraps from the center. So this is how this wrap looks like. Nice crispy crunchy texture from outside, and inside it's nice and soft and cheesy. I will do the same with the remaining wraps. I was able to make with this particular quantity of filling around 8 wraps divided into 2, which was like around 16. So this is our quick snack recipe which I made from leftover chapatis. If you liked watching this video, then please do subscribe to it and like and share if you find it useful. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.